In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to complete and turn in the Jefferson Hero or Hypocrite assignment. What you need to do once you're in Edmodo is go to the assignment post, which is right here. Click on the link that says docs.google.com. It'll bring up a window that asks you if you would like to make a copy of the document. Now, in order to access the document, you have to make sure that you're signed in with your school Google account. Otherwise, all it will do is to send me an email notifying me that you're requesting access. When you get to this screen, click on the Make a Copy button. This will put a copy onto your Google Drive so that you can access it from anywhere. Once the document comes up, what you'll need to do is to scroll down to the resources. Here they are. In order to access each resource, you'll notice that each one has a picture. Click on the picture. That'll bring up, and it's a little bit hidden here, so just look for it, you'll see it. That'll bring up the hyperlink. Click on the hyperlink to the resource, which will take you to the resource. Then go ahead and view or read the resource, depending on what type it is.
Today we're going to take a look at the Revolution of 1800. And if you clicked on this video and you were thinking, man, I can't wait to learn about some revolution, one thing you need to keep in mind is the fact that it was not an actual revolution. There are not going to be any crazy epic battles like we had during the American Revolution at Bunker Hill.
Okay, so you'll watch the entire thing, and then you'll take notes on it, and you can just flip back and forth in between the video to put down the notes that you need to put down. You will fill out your notes in the box to the right of each resource. So, for example, the first thing I'm going to put down on this one is that the Revolution of 1800, 18,000 was not a real revolution. Hopefully you can type better than I can. It was a peaceful transfer of power between political parties. All right, so that would be my first bit of information. I watch the rest of the video. I'm probably going to come up with some more. I might even have so much that it doesn't look like it's going to fit in the box, but that's okay. I can just continue to hit enter and make the box bigger in order to put in as many notes as I need. This is also where you're going to put any questions that you might have about the material. If there's something that's unclear to you, if there's something you want to know more about, you can put those in here. Now, what you'll need to do is to select a minimum of 5 of the 10 sources, because our goal is to look at the question and answer the question, was Thomas Jefferson a hero or a hypocrite? So we got to know some stuff about what he did. Probably also helpful to know about what the Federalists did after the election of 1800. Once you've finished with your 5 sources or more, if you want to do more, that is completely awesome. You're going to go ahead and turn it in. In order to do that, what you're going to do is click on the share button up here. It's going to bring up this. And what you'll do is click right here where it says Get Shareable Link. It will copy the link, and then you'll hit Done. And notice one thing here. It says anyone at Tulare Joint Union High with the link can view. So make sure that it's set to that, otherwise I will not be able to see it. So once you have the link, hit Done, and then we're going to go back to Edmodo. We're going to go back to the assignment. Now this says turned in because I was playing around with this a little bit earlier, but you're going to click on the turn in button. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go down here. You're going to add your link. And if you want, you can leave the name as the sign in - Google accounts. Or what you could do is you could put your name in and the period that you're in, and then hit attach. So now we see that the file, the link to the file is right down here. That means I'll be able to see it. And then you'll hit submit this assignment, and you should be all set. So then what you can do is go back, and you can actually look at the assignment, and you'll know that it's been turned in because right here it says turned in, and it also says waiting. What that means is it's waiting for me to give it a score. So this explains how you're to do and turn in the assignment. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me.